Do you think you could win a case in court? Today, we're going to find out. You'll face 30 to quick legal questions and real courtroom situations. Let's begin. A witness changes their story during trial. What should you do first? Question the witness to find out why. Which of these is not considered evidence in court? Hearsay second-hand statements. Your client admits to you they are guilty. What is your duty? Keep it confidential. Which is the strongest type of evidence? Physical evidence. In court, who decides the verdict in most jury trials? Jury. If the opposing lawyer asks your witness a tricky question, what can you do? Object. Which is the best way to win a case? Present strong, clear evidence and construct a compelling legal narrative. What is the legal term for lying under oath? Perjury. Which right does a defendant have in most countries? The right to remain silent and not self-incriminate. If evidence was obtained illegally, what usually happens? It's excluded from the trial. Situation. Your client is accused of stealing a phone. They have a store receipt proving they bought it. What should you do? Present the receipt as evidence. Situation. During cross-examination, the witness is nervous and keeps looking at the floor. What should you do? Ask calm, clear questions to make them comfortable. Which phrase would be an objection in court? Objection. Hearsay. Situation. You find out the opposing lawyer made a small legal mistake. What do you do? Use it to your client's advantage in a legal way. Which skill is most important for a good lawyer? Critical thinking and clear argumentation. Situation. Your client is accused of damaging a car. The only evidence is a blurry CCTV video. What should you do first? Challenge the reliability of the video evidence. If you disagree with a judge's decision during trial, what can you do? File an appeal after the trial. Situation. The prosecutor asks an irrelevant question to your witness. What should you do? Object to the question on the grounds of relevance. Which legal principle means innocent until proven guilty? Presumption of innocence. Situation. Your client is accused of being in a city where a crime happened, but you have train tickets proving they were in another city. What should you do? Present the tickets as alibi evidence. Which of these is not a type of lawyer? Bailiff. Situation. A witness says something you know is false. What should you do? Challenge their statement through cross-examination. What is the role of a defense lawyer? To ethically and zealously defend their client's rights and interests. Situation. Your client tells you they have an important document, but it's written in another language. What should you do? Get it officially translated and certified. Which phrase would be most persuasive in closing arguments? The evidence we have presented establishes, beyond a reasonable doubt, my client's innocence. Situation. You notice the opposing lawyer is intimidating your witness. What should you do? Object and ask the judge to intervene. Situation. Your client is clearly innocent, but the public believes they are guilty. What should you focus on in court? Evidence and legal arguments. Which is an example of reasonable doubt? There's not enough proof they committed the crime. Situation. The judge asks you for your final statement. What's the best approach? Summarize the facts and connect them to the law clearly. If the defendant remains silent in court, it means nothing. It's their legal right. In most countries, the judge's role is to ensure the trial is fair and the law is applied, which term means a previous court decision that guides future cases. Precedent. So, how did you score? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next quiz. See you in court next time.